Don't let a bad performing experience affect you too much. Recently, I just had a performance where I felt like I wasn't able to do my best. I wasn't feeling well, and I did it anyway, and it can be traumatizing when you're up there performing and you feel like you can't really control your body, and you feel like people are judging you, and the worst of all, you're judging yourself. And there's a lot of mixed emotions, and it can be very, very easy to let that get to you and to make you want to just not continue anymore and give up. There's going to be good and bad days. And while some days you might have it great, where you feel like you're singing your best and you're getting compliments and people are being kind to you, you might have other days where you're not feeling well, where you're cracking, where you're just very critical even of yourself. And that's normal. That's part of the process. That's transformation, and that's how it works.